in concern is to see Manica Diamonds active, is to survive the club. We want to see the club active, and we don't want the club to be disbanded and then to get out of the league. This is what we want, because that's the only team that is in the Premier League in Manicaland, in the Eastern region at large. So I am calling everyone and well wishers, all the stakeholders and other companies that are in Manicaland to contribute towards building up this Manicaland. Is the president's Mnangagwa's mantra of leaving no one and no place behind. If we leave Manica Diamonds getting out from the Premier League, it means Manicaland, we won't be counting Manicaland in terms of football. Manicaland will be out of a spot. You see, but because that's the only club that is in the Premier League in the whole province. You see, so I think Ndochi Shuiro yangu. Yeah, we know we have got challenges here and there, and then we may have financial challenges, but we know with God all things are possible. If we have a heart for Manicaland, we should come together and build this thing together.